Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. That's right, if you've seen the thumbnail and you've seen the title, that's right, I am installing an Everyday Traveler Junior front child carrier onto the bike, which is this bike. Hopefully it's going to work, because I hope that it doesn't touch these here. It's supposed to bolt onto here, so should be all right if I can get it right. I may have to modify it some or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but hopefully we can strap her onto this here one, and we'll go from there. So with further ado, if you're new to the channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Alright, so I'm just going to open this up here and get her opened up. Yeah, let's see what's in there. Oh my goodness, yeah. Whoa. Okay, well, it's pretty simple. It comes with an Allen key. Comes with an Allen key right there, folks. That's for the back part to loosen and tighten it, I guess. Okay, I see. So, okay, so it comes with these plastic things, and there's a size for every frame. So like mine's the middle plastic one. There's 3 plastics. One's a small one, one's a middle, and then one's an extra large one. So the middle one seems to be the one for mine. Okay, so we got my drill. We are going to do it this way now. A lot easier. Just pull those out. Now, I know most people may not have a drill, or they, might not have the actual Allen key. You can do it with the Allen key. I'm just going to do it this way, just because of the simple fact that, what does this come out to? It must. There must be... So there's a little red clip there. Little red clip there. You push that back. That'll release it off of this here, so that you can put this part down here. Right. So I got this tightened, but before I go and tighten it all the way, I want to put this on to make sure that it locks into place properly, in the right spot, and everything lines up. Because we want this to line up here, right? We don't want to crook it. So that looks about right. And then we lock that in. Okay, that's locked in there now. That looks about straight. So now we'll just finish it. I had to get this here. The drill bit, the one I had, wasn't long enough. So we'll just... Oh, they're 2 different sizes. Why would they do that? One's one size and the other's another size, folks. You want to do one at a time, so that way it brings the rest of them out, and you get it. But I got it, it's pretty sturdy. So now what I have to do is, we got to put this here handle on right here, which should literally take seconds. I don't think there's any big fancy thing about this. It should be pretty simple, so I say that, but I could be wrong too. I don't believe it should be too bad. This black piece that's here, I believe you don't use that, so we'll get that off, and we'll make sure we don't lose the screws. So we'll we'll get this black piece off anyways. Get that out of the way. And then we should be good to I don't know why they put that black piece there, to be honest. Unless, nope, unless it is something, but I'm pretty sure it goes just like that, which looks, in my opinion, proper. So this black piece you don't use. I don't use instructions. So, anyways, we'll get this on. You can see it perfectly fine, just like that. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do here is you're gonna want to put the washer behind. There's like a little plastic lip here. I don't know, it's a little plastic lip here. You just want to put it behind it and then put the screw through. Then put the nut on it. Okay, well there we go. I got them in. Just give you a little look so you can see it from this angle. I don't know, it's hard to see with the sun maybe, but anyways, we got that there. I'll button that up and then we'll put her on and see how it works. Alright folks, so we got her all done. I'm going to suggest to anybody that is doing this here, two things I recommend. One is, before you tighten the screws under the seat here, make sure that you adjust it on the bike so that you don't have to take it off, re-loosen the screws and adjust it, which that's what I did, right? And another thing too is this little clip thing here, right? When you push this down, it's gonna be like, you're gonna push it in and you're gonna be like, oh, okay, it's in, but you gotta give it that little snap to get it to lock in, so it locks in. Anyways, with that said, everything looks pretty good so far. Now, the next thing will be to take the baby out in it, see how it goes. It's got little straps here. You tighten down their feet so their feet don't move, right? I guess that's what it's for, but as far as that goes, it's, you know, whatever. So with that said, so far it was pretty simple to put together. Like I said, now it's going to be the step of taking it out and driving it. You know, in my opinion, when he gets older, it would be a lot better if they came with a reversal bar where you could put it in the back, right? So you can drive behind you. But anyways, that's I know you can buy the back ones, but why wouldn't they make it so that you can have it in the front or the back, right? It's just his opinion. So with that said, so far so good. We're gonna take them on a ride, and we'll let you know how it turns out. Alright, so we got back from taking a ride on the bikes, and my review is based on my opinion of what I encountered while trying to strap them in, while riding with them. Basically, as far as the seat goes, the seat is fine. You know, it's perfect for what you want it to do. And like I said, you can reverse it so it is behind you too. I noticed that. You can reverse it so it's behind you instead of in front of you. That's a good feature. So that's two things that are good about it. The things I don't like about it, okay, and this is just what I think, okay. So starting off, this here strap here, this here should be a clip. It should clip, because when you tighten it on them, right, and you go to take them out, you got to loosen it back up again. You got to loosen it back up to get it off. So it should be a clip. So it clips together like most car seats do. You know how they clip together? They buckle at the bottom and clip it there. That should be a clip too. That's one thing that, you know, that I don't like. And the second thing is these here. Okay, they clip in, but they have these little knobs that you got to push in too to get it out. Like, I would think this would be enough safety, but they added this as a safety too. So they're the two things I don't like about it that you know, could be fixed. But as you can see here, folks, it does have the two holes here where you can put the pipe through and reverse it so it's behind you, which I may yet do that. I'm not sure, but I may do that because I think it would be better. In my opinion, because one of the things I was running into was my chest was hitting his helmet here and kind of pushing it forward so he couldn't see. Not that, you know, the helmet was perfectly fit on him. It was actually a little big for his head because the helmet I got is 1+, right? They don't sell infant helmets. So, yes, you're not quite 1 year old yet. So anyways, folks, with that said, I thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget, give it that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, do it now. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications so you can see all my upcoming videos on my reviews of buying stuff and my my building of vehicles. I was going to say review of vehicles. Well, that too, right? A little bit of everything. But anyways, thanks for watching.